I am making a framed picture board for our guests for our housewarming. So this is like the rough draft, y'all. This is the rough draft. Because I didn't want to put like, this is the same picture essentially, you know. And we already got the soul picture.
True that.
So, and then, should I do, you don't really like that picture.
It's cool. It ain't like it's going anywhere outside the house.
Which one should I substitute it for?
Now that.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna worry about this part. I'm finna just trace the outside of it so I can take the pictures off so I can start cutting it.
Oh, nice.
Cause I gotta cut the picture still. Let's do this so I can make sure that the lines be straight. Now y'all, I'm not super creative. This is just an idea that I had. And so I was like, I'm gonna do it. I think my line's still pretty. Right there,
Did your pencil break?
yeah.
Why don't you sharpen the pencil?
The sharpener is on the other side of the house and I'm being lazy.
Just go get the sharpener, lady.
No, this is literally the last part. Like, I would have to use this pencil for. Fudge. Okay. Oh no, I did the.
What you do? What happened?
I was trying not, like, since we for sure said that we liked those pictures, I was okay. I didn't want to mix them up with any of the other pictures. I didn't want to use poster board because poster board is too flimsy, and this is gonna be held, and so we need it to be pretty. I bet. Can you give me the coconut?
I'll be comfortable with that nice service. Be careful with that thing. Here's Johnny.
I did it.
You did it, boo.
We did it, Joe.
You did it, boo boo. You creative, girl.
Are you gonna like it? I don't like it. Because I realized once you turned up like the camera light on, I was like, that'd be pretty beneficial. official.
You did, pizza.
Well, I'm not finished. Like, this is, I haven't taped, like, I haven't peeled the letters off of this. I just want to get the tape, and so I'm going to make sure that everything is centered. And then it's going to be our photo board. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the pictures down, but then I'm going to get packing tape and kind of go over it.
What you mean you gonna take the pictures down?
I said I'm taping them down
Oh, yeah.
with this double-sided tape.
And you gonna put packing tape.
I'm gonna put packing tape like directly on top of them.
Wow.
You don't think I should?
You don't think the double-sided tape will be enough?
Could. Let's see. I did it. So now I gotta just like smooth this stuff out right here.
You did it! You did it! You did it! Hooray!
Spending that money when I could do it myself. It's cute, right?
Adorbs.
Okay, I'm gonna get my fingernail file so I can.
Fingernail file.
Yeah, that stuff, it smooths the stuff out.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, gang. It is Saturday, aka House Blessing Day. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, just for everybody to come see our house, for us to just vibe and kick it and eat and just have family time. I don't know, I'm just so excited. I'm so grateful that God blessed us with this opportunity, blessed us with our home, so that we can like show the manifestation of God, y'all. Like, I think that's why I'm so excited, because so many people knew that this is what DJ and I wanted for such a long time. And to be able to throw a house blessing, to be able to just show God's grace and mercy, y'all. I don't know. But okay, what I'm gonna do is show y'all a semi-home tour, furnished home tour. And I'm saying semi because our theater room is not done at all. The office is maybe like 45%, maybe 50% done. Like, and that's what I mean. Like, not every room is 100% complete, but it is decent enough for us to have a housewarming. And y'all, we've only been in our house for almost 6 months. It's gonna be 5 months, November 16th, and then December 16th is gonna be 6 months. So we've only been in here for almost 5 months, y'all. So when we're not in a rush, like I said, we're so grateful that we don't want to rush. We don't want to just buy something because we think that it's cute and then we end up having to return it. That's not our jam. So we are just taking our time. So I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna turn the camera around and give y'all like a tour of everything. Sorry I did not post me setting this stuff up last night. With us going grocery shopping, buying all the supplies and stuff, I just kind of like got in that mode of like, let me clean up, straighten up, put everything where it needs to be. But here we go. So this is what everyone would see when they first walk in. So this easel will actually be outside. It just says Darius and Marlicia, house blessing, November 4th, grateful, thankful, blessed. We're still going back and forth if we want people to wear shoe covers or not, but I do have them here, so if a person, want to put them on, they can, but it's not like a mandatory thing. And then this is the sign. I know for a fact DJ's gonna insert this part of me like creating our picture frame board for everyone to take a picture with. So I'm gonna have that right there because my little cousin brother, y'all see that little cousin brother, my little cousin / brother Julian, he's gonna also act as our photographer. And so we're gonna, like, when people come in, we'll ask them, like, take a picture with the board so that we'll have, like, memories. And I love to scrapbook as well, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be maybe like my very first scrapbook that I make with these pictures being in there. But okay, so you walk in, it's our entryway with the mirror, and then you will turn and go into the office. Y'all know my God baby runs the show. And these are actually housewarming gifts that we've received. We haven't opened anything yet. And then these are actually things I'm going to put out. These are like little signs when people take pictures. Can't wait to use your bathroom. Can I have a key? Just like super cute little things for people to take pictures with. So, and y'all, if you know, you know. I'm a Marvel girl and Thor is the sugar honey iced tea. Okay, so this is the office. That chair won't go there for right now, but we're just using it for extra seating because there's a TV. Y'all, I know the TV is crooked. We'll talk about it. But this is the office. And then, oh my gosh, there it is. Yeah, I have like a thing with toilet seats not being down. I don't know why. And it could be because I was born with just my mom and my grandmama, but this is our bathroom. We are so very blessed to raise. Then, and then this side, again, thankful, grateful, blessed. Okay, and now you're entering into our guest bedroom. Y'all, I just love this. When people walk in, they'll see our parents. I love it so much. Okay, guest bedroom. Let me still back some. Okay, now we're back at the center. And I don't know if I've ever shown you guys these, but right when you guys walk in, there are scriptures, and it's our favorite ones. Hebrews 11:1. Y'all know if y'all know. Jeremiah 29:11. And the OG, John 3:16. So when you first walk in, you are just like absorbing the word of God. And actually scriptures that DJ and I stand on. Okay. So, show y'all what I've done. I turned our garage into like a little additional seating area. So like I just put tables and chairs out here, move the cars, so that if people, you know, just to give extra seating because we have a very large family. And I'm gonna show y'all, like y'all gonna see how many people gonna end up being here. Everywhere it's gonna be full, I'm pretty sure. Okay. This is the theater room, but like I said, y'all, it's not even started at all. Don't mind that, I'm returning it this morning. So I know that y'all see this area a whole lot. So over here, I'm making, our menu for today is chicken Alfredo and meatballs. I just put the meatballs on. I've never made meatballs before, y'all. So I hope that tastes good. I got these like this because I want to make sure that there's plenty of sauce in the meatballs. And you know how the sauce sticks to the bottle. So I got the bottle flipped over so I can squeeze all that last little remnant out. And so I got just extra chairs back there. And then I have our poured up station. I went and brought like different wines, and whenever someone opens it, they can just put these corkscrews back in. And then I have the corkscrew for them to open. At first I was gonna go ahead and open all of them, but I was like, what if don't nobody drink them, and then I'll have all of them open. So, and I'm gonna actually, once it's closer to time, I'm gonna use my ice caddy to sit over here so that people can put ice, but I will have the wine on ice. I just don't have anything right now because it's too early. This is the living room. Y'all, I don't even know if they make cuter coolers, but this vexes my spirit. It vexes my spirit. And so y'all see, I just got extra chairs here. Got a chair over there in the corner just for extra seating. Okay. So that was a sneak peek of our home. I purposely did not show y'all the guest bedroom. I'm sorry, not the guest bedroom, our bedroom, because DJ's in there getting prepared. So if I have time and if I remember, I will go back through there and show y'all. But I'm about to go get ice and cookies so I can go ahead and put the ice in the cooler and put the drinks in there so they can be chilling. And then I ordered cookies for us, and so I'm gonna go get the cookies so that'll be like a cute little treat. I don't know where I'm gonna put them at just yet. And then I'm gonna go and return this iron. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this little sneak peek, but I'll be back. Thank you. Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for your new mercy, your new grace, favor first with you and then man. Father, I pray that you bless this food that we're about to receive. Allow us to bring learning. So, to start the festivities, this ain't just a housewarming. Oh, Lord. Oh, y'all forgot. We on YouTube. Say hey to the channel, y'all. Hey! So, to start the festivities, we are about to do karaoke.
Come on, Lisa.
So, DJ and I, we're going to start it off, and then I'm going to take volunteers. And after volunteers, I'm gonna make somebody sing. If I don't get any volunteers. Oh my goodness. Yep.
Be thinking, everybody. Hey, Kai Corey. Hey, Kendall. Go, Kid.
We gonna do this dance on each other.
I got a man now, don't you see that?
I just want you to listen.
I want to listen.
Go. Wait. Oh. Listen. A melody I start but can't complete. Come on, Lisa. Who you singing to now? Yeah, man. Okay, JoJo. We about to go back in there.
Был художник один, домик имел и холсты, но он актрису любил.
DJ! DJ!
Цветы. Миллион алых роз. Из окна.
So the question is for Granny, Maine, and Jay. Between DJ and I, who takes the longest shower?
DJ!
Y'all are correct. Okay. Wait. So we thought that this might happen, so we came up with another question. Who takes the longest to get dressed?
Lisa.
Who takes the longest to get dressed? You said me? Okay.
It's DJ, I'm telling you, DJ.
Hold up.
Who takes the longest to get dressed?
Who take the longest to get dressed?
Between me and DJ.
Everybody wrong. It's DJ.
All y'all wrong. It's DJ.
Yo, come on. That's why I'm not.
Okay.
Why you think they always late?
Okay. So
Dirty secrets.
hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm sure if I know my husband, he is gonna make this be like one full video. So I'm sure the first part of this video was y'all seeing our housewarming, aka our house blessing on yesterday. So our house blessing was on Saturday and now it is Monday and we are about to start opening up some of our gifts. We haven't gotten everything just yet, but I wanted to like open it up with you guys so y'all can see like what everybody blessed us with. So yeah, so we're gonna go and get into it. Oh. So to know the rays is to know that we love our house smelling good. This is a strawberry guava. Ooh, this looks good. Okay. Ooh, salted coconut and mahogany. I know, this is a big old candle. When I tell you the excitement that I have in my bones about this right here, y'all, like, oh, Quinn came through. When I say, Quinn and Jazz, when I say, y'all, I don't even drink whiskey, but I'm going to find us some good old whiskey so that, no, these are whiskey. Well, I mean, I'm sure we can drink whatever out of it, but these are specifically whiskey glasses. And then you're supposed to have the big piece of ice inside of there, and you're supposed to pour the whiskey, and you're supposed to slowly sip it. Y'all, when we do it, I'm gonna make sure that I have the camera set because in my head I can visualize it already. We're gonna be on our back patio with our fire pit going. And we're gonna have our whiskey and our ice in there. And I'm gonna have a blanket wrapped around me. I see it. Thank y'all. This gonna be all this. Oh snap, it's another set in here. It's a whole like double set. y'all so much. I saw this one, but I didn't see this one.
Big cute.
Big cute.
Not little cute. Yeah, these things came today too.
I don't know if it's housewarming stuff, but we'll open it on here though. Okay, so this card is from Keisha. Congratulations on your new home. May you find that your address is all you've waited for, and may happiness surround you when you step through the door. May God bless your new home. Love, TT Keisha. Okay. And this is from the Mitchells, TT Sean and Uncle E. Love, family, memories, and dreams. Hope your home is filled with all these sweet things in life. Love you, TT Sean and Uncle Easy. Okay, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm finna get out the way. Now I'm finna just pick it up. Is it heavy? Y'all, when I tell y'all the suds came through on the ones and twos. Y'all.
Please be careful.
Yes, sir.
Oh, dear.
I can't see if I don't cut it this way.
Do you have to hold it?
Yeah. No. Ooh. Oh my God.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This ain't gonna make it into the kitchen. Okay. Oh.
Put it in the back.
I wanted this so bad.
That's what she said.
Sorry.
It's a whole lot of greatness right here. Yeah. On the roasting camera. Okay, this is from. Let's get hot and good. Oh, these are like candelabras, like that you can sit like your
Candle
candle.
what? Candelabras? That's what it's called?
Probably not. I don't know. But these are so cute though.
You're probably right, and I just don't know enough.
This is really pretty. And then you can put like a cute little candle right here. I love this. I'm gonna have to think about this one. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Thanks, babe.
No problem.
Okay. From our grandparents. Aww. Cute. Is this? Oh yeah. So that way we can like make it seasonal. Ooh.
It's exclusive.
I know, this is really pretty.
Sure.
Oh, and then you can like fluff out the. That's so pretty. And it's two of them in here. Oh, and then it got like little rocks at the bottom. That's cute. figure out where I want to put these. I think these need to be in the living room. They're too pretty. And I have a place where people will see all the stuff and things. Okay. So, next gift. We got our pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. And it's like, it's the pizza cutter and then it's the covering case that it goes in. So that way, instead of like rolling or using a knife, you just kind of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who that's
Yeah.
from?
Stephanie.
Stephanie?
If y'all know the Rays, we will put in a frozen pizza in the oven real quick.
Yeah.
We love pizza over here. Like,
Big pizza.
big pizza. So everything in this box is from Stephanie. Yeah.
You have to.
I got my handy dandy dicer chopper plus ready to go. Oh wow! She got the filter to go over our sink, our kitchen sink. This is so important, y'all, just because, you know, it's so many chemicals and stuff just being, our food's been treated with so many chemicals and stuff. I just think it's so great to have like a water filter over, especially our kitchen sink, because that's what I cook with. So just making sure that our water is purified before I cook it, you know, I love it.
Nice.
So although this says salad spinner, yeah, you can also, when I'm like cleaning the fruits,
That's that thing you do like.
you
this.
push, yeah. Oh my gosh, she went ham.
She was Hemington.
Got us a new pizza pan to go with our pizza cutter. Awesome. Thank you, Steph. Here you are, sir. Okay, this is from the Freemans.
That's where that glitter came from on my hand.
This is so pretty. And then here's the details. My mama knows her daughter love her some gold.
Hey.
I love this. And then it's acrylic, so that's perfect because this is like longevity. This is so pretty. Yo, I love this. For our next hosting gig. Oh snap. So this wasn't from our registry, but it's like curtains. Curtains that I ordered for our bedroom. Y'all, we need curtains so bad. The way that the sun hits our bedroom window, it literally beams straight in. And we be wanting to sleep in so bad, but that sunlight, if you roll over,
Saturday.
ooh, you can't sleep in. Can't sleep in. Cannot. This is also from the Freemans.
That's her drink.
One of my faves. One of my faves. This is from the Johnsons. This is the fave.
Right.
This is the fave right here.
Is that the peach? Or
Yeah, this the peach. This and the Diasti Stella Rosa. Baby, you knew it was you. I want some of that Rosa in my Stella.
Hey, that's what she said.
Yo.
That did sound wildly inappropriate. Okay. This is from Stephanie too.
Hilarious.
Oh my gosh. She got us the strainer for our pots and pans. This is really cute. Stephanie, girl. This ain't from the registry. This is for Trace.
Really
I got my baby a little green shirt. Target had it on sale. I wanted him to have the full outfit, but for the adults they had the full outfit, but for the kids they did it, and it made me so mad. But I got him a sweatshirt.
Nice.
Him gonna be so handsome, y'all.
Your maid's gonna be handsome.
This is from Uncle Dave. Yeah, okay, so I'm not gonna take it out because I have to assemble it, but it is like these super pretty serving dishes. Y'all, to know the Rays, to know we love to host so much, and to have this type of stuff, y'all, it's chef's kiss for us. Cause we already got like another hosting thing coming up in a couple of weeks. I don't know which one we're gonna do first, if it's gonna be the ladies night or if it's gonna be the couples game, PJ game night. Christmas PJs third.
I'm good.
I had a pair of cereals. Oh, this is so cute. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Okay. This is real fancy.
Super fancy.
I didn't know Amazon offered
You're
this.
blocking your face.
Oh. Put in that SpongeBob thing. 13 years later.
It's some more?
It's still in the box.
Nobody even tell what it is. This is another box.
It's our stemless wine glasses. So I wonder, can I get to the? So there's like two different sizes. So this is the smaller, wider size, and then there's another size that's like taller and more slender. But I can't get to it. Cause like, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like all these glasses are on top. And so, oh, okay. So get into it. So it's 6 stemless red glasses and then 6 stemless white glasses. I didn't even pay attention to those details when I ordered it. I liked that it was 2 different sizes, but apparently the size is for your wine.
So,
Who knew?
so, do you know the
No. Someone got it off our registry.
Oh, nice.
So now I can open it. It's from Uncle Dave.
Nice.
Thank you. Okay, you'll pass me that other stuff right here. Whoa. It's a gift card from the Taylors. Thank you. Can't ever go wrong with Amazon gift card. Thank you. Ooh, and I already got the perfect things I want to purchase.
Okay.
I don't think this is registry. I'm kind of embarrassed.
What is it? Why are you
So you know how I told y'all about Tracy's sweatshirt?
Hilarious.
I got me one too.
That's adorable.
Oh, it doesn't stop there.
That's ridiculous.
I got you one too, DJ.
That's ridiculous.
We're gonna be triplets. Ah. Yep. Hey, at least.
Are these like pajamas or
Knit.
these are sweatshirts? Like we're going in public with these on, Lisa? Lisa.
Y'all look
Steven
at
and Anita.
it. It's so cute. You can't tell me this ain't cute, DJ.
It's adorable, but
And so what I ended up doing
you're so extra.
is that I got myself the full outfit, and then since Trace didn't have bottoms, I didn't get you bottoms. So then you and Trace can wear the same color bottoms, or if you want, Trace can wear black bottoms and you can wear blue jean bottoms.
Why would I do that?
Cause, or if you want to wear black bottoms with him, you can.
You're crazy, bro.
Look how he's sneaking. Clear.
You don't need one. It's a crazy.
So I think that's everything. Yes. Y'all, I appreciate my family so much. They come through for us every single time. And there's like so many other things that people have already blessed us with since we've been in our home that we even haven't had a chance to share with y'all just yet. But this is just what, we were blessed with at our house blessing. And I'm just so thankful. Aren't you thankful, Pooh?
I am.
Yeah.
I'm super appreciative to have a family that, that loves and values us enough to even go out of their way for it. Because we could have had an empty house on Saturday, but everybody came.
Everybody came, and don't get me wrong, I'm so grateful for the gifts, but just the amount of love that was in the atmosphere, y'all. I think it just means so much more to us, because to know DJ and I is to know that this has been a goal that we have been trying to accomplish. I mean, we've been married for 11 years, and I would say at least the last 8 to 9 years, we have been on this journey of trying to truly get a house. And the reason why I don't count the first 2 to 3 years is because I was in nursing school, and so we was trying to get me through nursing school. So, but once I made it to my last semester of nursing school, that's when we tried for the first time to get our home. And this isn't something that you can just haphazardly just go after. You truly have to have a lot of things in order, but I feel it's in God's timing and when he wants to bless you with it, or when he feels as though you're ready for it. Because looking back at it then, had we been blessed with our home back then, I don't know if we would have been as humble. I don't know if we would have been as grateful and appreciative and just so thankful like we are now. And I truly feel God's timing is so perfect. His will, his plans are not our plans. His thoughts are not our thoughts. And so him waiting for us to get to this point in life, it just means so much more to us. And just having our family here with us and celebrating. And Granny had such an amazing analogy. So DJ and I, we went up for our house 3 times. The first 2 times we were told we weren't able to qualify for our home. And Granny had said yesterday in service, she said, when we first prayed for it, God had already had that blessing for us. But we got that first denial because there was our means of trusting him? Will we still trust him even after receiving the denial? And then the second time when we went up forward, when we were denied the second time, it was to test our faith. Would we truly like lose hope and lose faith and say like, you know, this isn't what God has for me, or this isn't what, you know, God wanted for us? It was like a test of our faith. Would we continue to lean and depend on him, even though for the second time we prayed and fasted and it still did not come to what, you know, to what we wanted? But that third time, and y'all, mind y'all, both times that we applied for it the first time, we had always desired to build, but we did not request to build at that time because we didn't think that we could build at that time. But because God's, in his infinite wisdom, he knew that we wanted this. He knew that we wanted to build. So he allowed us to continue to be prepared, continue to groom us, continue to pour into us, so that when we did go up for that third time, not only were we blessed with the house that we desire, we were blessed with the desires to be able to build, to lay our foundation in him, for us to write the scriptures that we leaned on in those times that we felt less than, in those times that we felt vulnerable, in those times that we thought that we weren't worthy, or that we would never be able to accomplish the goal that we had set for ourselves. We were able to write those scriptures in our frame, on our foundation, giving our house back to God. And I think having all of our family here on Saturday, it just showed the manifestation of Jesus Christ. And I think that's why everyone came in so happy. The atmosphere was so blissful and so just I don't know. It was just
everybody actually was a family.
Yes.
And it was like everybody was like old friends. It was like, hey, I ain't seen you since.
Combining both of our families.
Yeah, and the fact is, it's like through us, that's a big part too. Big, because we also crave for that too, is to blend our families. And of course our mamas and granny and Titi Linda, of course all them, but
we wanted to mix uncles and aunts and cousins and
Peter and Kenny's house. That was pretty like cool.
Cause those are our uncles, you know. I don't know,
it was just a great.
It was. I'm completely full because just seeing the manifestation of God, I don't know. And then to not only have people come with such an uplifting and loving spirit, but to like still bless us, you know, to want to be a blessing to us, it just means a whole lot.
The sacrifice is Saturday.
Yes, and what I tell y'all,
it was beautiful outside.
It was so beautiful.
The weather was tight.
Everything.
And to know everybody's sacrifice for us, it means
so much.
It means so much.
So much. But I feel like I can just go on and on about the goodness of God and just what it means to us. But we appreciate y'all, and I think that's why it was so. We had always said that we even wanted to start our own YouTube channel, but in God's timing, because you know now we're able to pour into y'all. Y'all are able to see the manifestation. You know, I know for a fact I used to day in and day out watch YouTube channels and YouTube videos of people doing house tours, doing unboxings, decorating their homes for like different holidays. And I used to just look at it and be like, oh, I can't wait until God bless us with it. And to be able to like be on this platform, to be able to like, look, I was where y'all was at. I was watching them YouTube channels. I was commenting. I would write I would have my vision board, put my house on my vision board every year. I would write out my plans of, I want this room to be this color. I want this room to be that color. And although it took some years, although it took some time, I'm here. We're here. Like, it just shows you, like, don't give up. Have faith. Continue to pray and trust God. And in his timing, he's going to bless you with it. And if you didn't know that any other time, know that here. Know that while you're watching this, this is what the manifestation of Jesus Christ is. And that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. But we're probably gonna end this vlog with it. Like, this is gonna be the end of our housewarming, house blessing vlog. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope that y'all felt the love, felt the excitement, you know, through us and through our family members. And I just thank y'all so much for tuning in, and we hope y'all enjoyed it as much as we did. And we'll see you next vlog.